and welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing good. So the field has finally dried out enough for us to get the go-kart out, and I'm super excited because we're finally going to get to really test it pretty good for the first time, and we're going to get to see how it drives and how fast it goes. You guys will see that it only is topping out at like 40 something miles an hour, and we believe that's because we need to change the clutch spring. We think that it's engaging into high gear too quickly, so it doesn't have enough power to push it from low gear instantly into high gear, so it's just not getting up there. But once we change that, this thing should go up into high gear when it's supposed to, and probably do like 70 to 80 miles an hour. It accelerates like crazy. As you guys will see in this video, it's just constant wheel spin, and it is so cool because it just sounds insane. From just, I don't know whether I like driving it or just listening to it more. I mean, driving it is super fun, and you guys will see how squirrely this thing is. I was getting sideways when I was trying to drag race it and stuff, so this thing's a beast. So without further ado, I guess, let's get right into this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright everyone, so I know in the last video I said I have no clue when we're gonna get to take the go-kart out, but thankfully the rain has held off for a while, the field has finally dried up, and as you can see, we have some better tires on this thing. I swapped them out from the tires on this. I gotta put these ones on, as you can see, but we're actually gonna get to take this thing out and drive it in the field and actually get to do a lot with it today, which I'm super excited about. We're also going to take this one out. Hey, we may even drag race them together. Obviously, you know which one's going to win, but it would be just for fun anyways. And as you can see, I've got the field mowed. Every year, I mow a path around the outside, and I always mow that path throughout the year. And I have this one set up more like for drift, because that's how I mowed it in the fall. So we're keeping it at that layout now. And I know the go-kart isn't necessarily a drift vehicle, but it's for my four-wheeler and basically whatever other vehicles out here, so it feels pretty dry. Let's get the go-karts out. Alright, we got the wheels on the blue go-kart, so I am going to try to pull it out of here right now if it'll start, so... It's going. This one's had trouble running because the choke just stays stuck on and stuff. It's been having a couple weird issues, so we're also going to use today to kind of figure out if we can see what those are. Alright, we'll go take this out for a quick lap. Let's just see how the go-karts deal with the field, and then we'll get the other thing out. This one's still pretty fun. Pretty smooth on the go-karts. For some reason these wheels still grip up surprisingly well because they have absolutely no tread, so I'm interested to see how the other ones are going to do on the other go-karts. Okay, so there's a huge bump around that one corner that I need to be aware of. Other than that, we're looking good. Alright, everyone. Oh god, the field is finally dry. I just remembered I can't do this with my helmet on. The field is finally dry enough. Let's take this thing out, screw around with it. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. I need to not press the gas when I'm doing this. That would not be good. Sister's driving the blue one. Hope the GoPro angle's good. I think it is. Ready? going this way. We're just gonna feel it out. It's so freaking loud. And it's so fast. I have my speedometer in my pocket, so we're gonna end up seeing how fast I'm going. I'm honestly not sure. Seems to be topping out at whatever speed that was. Oh my God! The acceleration is insane! Oh, my air filter fell off. I can't grab it. I can't get it. Gotta take the harness off. That sucks. I'll put this behind here, just to be safe. Accelerates fast, but I notice it gets up to like, it'll rev up and then it'll go down to like 7K and then stay there. It's almost like it's topping out.
Well, if you stayed in it long enough, it might come back up.
Hang on, let me see how fast we're going. 46.
How much?
46.
46?
Yeah. not going past 7.
Might have to mess with the clutch.
Yeah. Let me see if it went any faster. Not showing that it did. I mean, it accelerates really fast. Avery, you want to race? Alright, so it's not hitting any top speed that we would have anticipated. It just it accelerates really fast and then it just kind of sits at 7. Like it'll rev up to 9 and then it'll go down and just sit at 7 for some reason. It doesn't really, I don't know if it's not gaining speed or what it is, but go! Oh my god! I almost lost it! That's how I know it accelerates fast. I don't have one of those. Geez, the radiator fan's on, that's for sure. Tell the fan's working. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this week's video. We are like 60 something subscribers away from 1,000, which is insane. That is so awesome. So thank you all so much for the support lately on the channel. And I'm really glad we finally got a video out on this thing again. Just got to do a few more things, tweaking up, and then this thing should be ripping like crazy. So thank you all so much for watching. To support the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. Share with your friends if you enjoy this build. Still got to do a little bit to it, and also it just looks insane with these tires on it too. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all are staying safe out there. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. So hope you guys have a great rest of your week. I'll see you guys whenever I upload next. Bye guys.